The game of chess was born in India. Yesterday, we have seen the defining moment in this game. D. Gukesh, an 18 years old boy from Chennai, have become the world chess champion at the event of World Chess Championship conducted in Singapore by FIDE. D. Gukesh is the youngest chess champion till date. He is just 18 years old. He has beaten his close opponent and the title defender, experienced opponent Ding Liren. In fact, Ding Liren have played very well. But in his 55th step, he made an error. Immediately, the game turned in favor of D. Gukesh. D. Gukesh was trained by Vishwanath Anand, mentored by Vishwanath Anand. In fact, D. Gukesh was the second Indian and third Asian to become the world champion. The first Asian to become the world chess champion was Vishwanath Anand. The second was Ding Liren and the third was D. Gukesh. And D. Gukesh also broke the record of Garry Kasparov. Garry Kasparov till date was the youngest chess champion of the world. At the age of 22, Garry Kasparov have become the chess champion. Now, at the age of 18, D. Gukesh have become the chess champion. The strongest chess player of the world, Magnus Carlsen, now is a target for many Indian chess players. Particularly, we have Pragnananda, Arjun Eragesi, Dronavalli Harika, Koneru Hampi. They are the top chess players from India. Now, Pragnananda and Arjun Eragesi are also in the world top chess players list. The victory of D. Gukesh have given new inspiration and a momentum to Indian chess talent. In fact, there is no depth of talent in India with respect to the game of chess, but there is no encouragement. There is no hope. Now, it have become a redefining moment for Indian chess, particularly D. Gukesh victory, the innate intellectual ability he has shown in the chess. He has shown in every of his step, in each of his step, and also his talent, his determination and dedication towards the sport made him a recognizable champion in the world today. So let us wish all the best to D. Gukesh.